Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We're in a whole new month. Can you believe March is already upon us? Wow, didn't we just pop the corks on the champagne bottles a week or so ago? How's it March already? Well, we're going to be so excited because we have whole new topics, and I'm not going to steal any of Victoria's time. What do you have in mind for us, Victoria? What will you tease us with on this Monday Compass?
This time, we're going to get a little further down in the weeds. As a result of my book coming out, I've gotten lots of questions about the chapter on plot, and some of you may recall back in December, I introduced the idea of, in narrative theory, of the chronotope and the chirotope. So we're going to go a little bit deeper into that, and we're going to talk specifically about timelines and building those in your plot box. So come back tomorrow because this one is one not to be missed. And tomorrow, when you come back, I will make a surprise announcement. We've got something coming up that I think everybody will want to participate in, but I'm not going to tell you till tomorrow. Kathleen?
Okay, how exciting. Timelines. I happen to have my copy of the book, and I am right on page 78, where you talk about sketching out a very loose timeline for one character. Oh, I've got a bunch of characters. I got a bunch of these to sketch. I'm excited. And we have a whole new month. So if you're a subscriber to my newsletter, you already have your issue for this month, issue 22, and you know what our topic is. We're going to be talking about the character trait of trustworthiness. It's a really interesting one, and next month's one is quite similar too in some very interesting aspects. So that's what we'll talk about next time is what does it mean? How can we get technical about it as to compared to the way people just banty it about? And what are the kind of struggles that you might run into in trustworthiness? So come on back tomorrow and we will break open the topics for you. See you then. Bye bye.